Here's the truth. If you're still broke, it's not because you're unlucky. It's not because the world is against you. It's because you've been lied to and you believed it. They told you to relax, that life will figure itself out, that you deserve success just by existing. But the truth? Life doesn't reward the lazy. It doesn't care about your feelings. It only respects effort. While you scroll, someone's building. While you sleep late, someone's grinding. While you make excuses, someone's becoming unstoppable. So ask yourself, how much longer will you stay broke? Mentally, physically, financially? Before you do something real, you think you have time, but your clock's already ticking. Every wasted hour is a brick not laid in your empire. Every skipped workout is a weak version of you in the mirror. Every excuse you feed kills your momentum. Success is brutal. It demands pain. It demands silence. It demands isolation and work when no one's clapping for you. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need money. You don't need approval. You just need one thing: discipline. That's it. You want freedom? Earn it. You want power? Train for it. You want a different life? Build it, brick by brick, when no one's watching. You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not lazy. You're untrained. You're not unlucky. You're undisciplined. It's time to change that. It's time to feed the hustle and fuel the fire. Don't watch others build yours. This is the year you stop being broke and start becoming dangerous. Don't just watch, be a part of it.